Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Git latest version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, first go to Git official website and download git-scm.com. Hit enter, then see the latest release is 2.49. Click on download for Windows. To click here to download latest 64-bit version of Windows. So click on this. Click here to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 67 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now click on this exe file to install. Click on next. Select the destination location to store this Git related files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path. I'm okay with the default one, so click on next. See here, if you want additional icons on desktop, it is up to you. See, we have different options. Okay, if you want to add profile, click on okay. Select the options as per your requirements, then click on next. See, this will be the name in the start menu folder. Okay, click on next. If you don't want to create a shortcut menu folder, you have to select this one. Okay, I want to create, so click on next. Choose the default editor used by Git. So see here, we don't have Vim, so I'm going to select VS Code. It is up to you. Select any one of them from this list, like Notepad, Notepad Plus, or Atom, etc. Okay, so click on next. Adjust same name as initial branch. Yes, click on next. See here, adjust your path environment. Use Git from Git Bash only, or use Git from command line and also from third-party software. Select the options based on requirement. See, the second one is the recommended, so I'm selecting it and click on next. Choosing the SSH executable. Okay, I'm going with use bundled open SSH. Then click on next. Choosing the HTTPS transfer backend. I'm going with native, so click on next. Check out Windows style, next. Use mini TT, next. Choose the default behavior of Git pull, rebase or fast forward or merge. So I'm going with the fast forward. Choose a credentials manager. So choose a credential helper. Okay, credential manager, enable caching. See, installation has been started. If you want to launch Git Bash, you have to select the checkbox, or if you don't want, click on finish, then open CMD, verify the Git version, git --version. See, we have installed Git version 2.49. Now open the Git Bash. Go to all of applications folder. Go to the directory that starts with Git. See here, we have the Git folder. See, in Git folder we have like Git Bash, Git CMD, Git GUI, etc. options are there. So open Git Bash. See, we got the Git Bash. See, okay. Now verify the version of the Git Bash here. Git --version. See here, we have installed Git version 2.49. Now we are going to configure Git globals like username and user email. Git config global, git config --global, then user dot name in singular double quotes, give the username. Hit enter, then provide the user email. Now verify the configuration information. Git config -list. See, username is R2schools, email is, this is the email, core editor. See here, we have the VS Code, and see here we have different options like clean, etc. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure Git on Windows 11 operating systems. Okay, for more Git tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.